Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 63, Draw's time for deliberation. Section 63 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 provides for the time that must be allowed to the drawee of a bill of exchange to consider whether or not to accept the bill when it is presented to him. This provision ensures fairness by granting the drawee a reasonable opportunity to examine the bill before undertaking liability. 1. Presentment for acceptance. When a bill of exchange is presented to the drawee for acceptance, the drawee is required to decide whether he will accept the bill and thereby undertake liability to pay the amount at maturity. Acceptance is a significant act, as it makes the drawee the principal debtor. Therefore, the law recognizes that the drawee should not be compelled to make an immediate decision without proper consideration. 2. Right of the drawee to time for consideration. Section 63 provides that if the drawee so requires, the holder must allow him a period of 48 hours to consider whether he will accept the bill. This period is intended to enable the drawee to verify the authenticity of the bill and check the correctness of its amount and terms. It also allows the drawee to confirm the existence of funds or necessary arrangements and decide whether to assume liability. 3. Exclusion of public holidays. The 48 hours allowed for deliberation are calculated exclusive of public holidays. This means that any public holiday falling within the period is not counted. The drawee effectively gets to full working days to make his decision. This ensures that the drawee is not disadvantaged by non-business days when normal commercial activities cannot be conducted. 4. Obligation of the holder. The holder of the bill is bound to allow this period if the drawee demands it. The holder cannot insist on immediate acceptance. If the holder refuses to grant the required time, it may affect his rights, as proper presentment procedures must be followed to hold other parties liable. 5. Nature of the right. The right to 48 hours is not automatic but arises only when the drawee requests such time. If the drawee chooses to accept or refuse immediately, the holder may proceed accordingly. Thus, the provision strikes a balance between the interests of the holder and the drawee. 6. Purpose of the provision. The purpose of Section 63 is to ensure fairness and prudence in commercial transactions. Since acceptance creates primary liability, the drawee must be given a reasonable opportunity to make an informed decision. This prevents hasty or uninformed acceptance and promotes responsible financial conduct. 7. Commercial significance. This provision contributes to the smooth functioning of negotiable instruments by allowing adequate time for verification and decision-making, and by protecting drawees from undue pressure. It further ensures proper and deliberate acceptance, while maintaining confidence in commercial dealings. For more details, contact us.